In this video, I'll show you how to approve pending Payoneer receiving accounts step by step. First, sign into your Payoneer account and go to the Get Paid section. Then click Receiving Accounts. If your receiving accounts are still pending, you will usually see a message or notification asking you to complete additional steps before they can be activated. Next, check if Payoneer is asking you to complete the receiving account questionnaire. If it appears, click Start Questionnaire and answer the questions about your business activity, services, and payment sources. Make sure the information is accurate because Payoneer uses it to review your eligibility. After submitting the questionnaire, check your verification center. Sometimes Payoneer requires documents like a government ID, proof of address, or a bank statement to complete the approval process. Upload the requested files clearly and make sure the information matches your Payoneer account details. Once all requirements are submitted, Payoneer will review your request. When approved, your receiving accounts will become active and you'll be able to see the bank account details for receiving payments in different currencies. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.